This is Donnie Lewis for Rat Rods, 2 Lanes, and Neon. And I'm on the side of historic US 31 and a place called Reddickton up out of Seymour, north of Seymour, before Columbus. And I found an amazing flywheel off of something. I'm gonna go read, see what it says. More roadside stuff here, historic roadside attractions. Neat. I'm gonna go check her out. This guy built all this for people just to enjoy, which is amazing. And he's got a sign-in book, which we signed in. And he's got the Bible in there. God bless him. I like seeing that. Spread that word. It's what it's about. But he's built all this and set it up for people to enjoy. He's got a lot of pictures here from the local stuff, local history. Somebody after my own heart, taking care of this local history and things and stuff. A lot of write-up about it. It's really neat. But we always pass that thing there. This is something, I don't know, that's big and old. 12-foot flywheel. Powered the entire 5-story Bliss flour mill at 100 East Tipton Street, Seymour, by belts and shafts. Its Buckeye compound cross engine developed 500 horsepower at 126 RPM. That's about 20 less than Frankenstein did. He's about 520 right now with that tune. At about $7 grand. So, here it is. It is amazing. Man, I'm just glad he preserved it. No one scrapped it. It probably weighs 6, 7, 8,000 pounds, between 6 and 8,000 pounds. I can guess pretty good. I drive a truck, I know weights. But no one scrapped it. They have preserved it. God bless him. He's a man after my own heart. Pretty neat. And I've seen these things set up, like in Nashville, Tennessee, the American Picker store, a smaller version. It's got one motor, and then a belt runs to a shaft on top of the building they're in, called the Marathon Motor Works. And the shaft runs from one end of the building to the other. It's about an eighth of a mile down the street, that whole brick building. And anywhere you need to run a machine, they would drop a belt off of that shaft down to the motor and start turning it from there. But one motor running the whole place back in the day. You see where they cut the arms off, but they saved everything else. Just moving this thing had to be an undertaking. He's preserving history. God bless him. I may even go up and try to find some of that stuff he had pictured on that board. The flywheel that ran the whole thing. Once this thing got going, the inertia from the weight would keep it running and made it easier for everything to turn and move and stuff. I could imagine the amount of energy that could be captured in that much weight spinning. It had to be a lot to run the entire 5-story building. But, so we're right here. You can hear cars passing on historic US 31 right there. Come see this stuff. I don't ever want to see it disappear. So, until next time. Well, is there any more? No, I bet this come out of the same thing. We'll have to see. Well, this is amazing. God bless whoever done it. They're preserving history. You got a Bible laying there if you wanted it. We are land donated by Hubert Hazard, Foundation of the Rear Wheelers Tractor Club, founder of the Redington Rear Wheelers Tractor Club. Right there. So, we don't sit too long in Frankenstein. We like to roll. But it's neat. You're on the side of historic US 31, just north of Seymour, a little town called Redington. It is very neat. You cannot miss it.